Hi! In front of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Display and Brightness. Now tap on this gray sweater next to Auto Brightness feature. As you can see, my sweater is blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same sweater again. You can also go into Tab menu and click on this icon with a sun located next to brightness slider to enable or disable adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!